Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay. So y'all know I'm always switching up this YouTube channel, so we're just not even gonna address that. So today I'm doing a nail video, and it's not a tutorial because I'm a beginner, but it's mainly for like my documentation, so I can keep up with my progress. Today in this video, this is day 6 for me, so I'm trying to perfect my ombre. Still working on that. The design I'm doing for this set is inspired by Sydney Alexis on Instagram and on YouTube. I watch her YouTube videos, and the way her nails are, she has thick nails. She do thick nails. She make high apexes, and I like that. I love that style, and I just try and watch her videos until I can get the shit right. So I'll watch videos and then I'll practice, and then watch videos and then practice, and then watch videos and then practice. So yeah, so just watch me do my nails. The process, I sped it up so it wouldn't be y'all sitting here watching me for like an hour, especially on some beginner stuff. It's like, yeah. But since we're doing voiceovers, let's just get into the nail journey itself. Okay, so like I said, this is day 6 for me. So the first like little nails I did, they was ugly as shit, like very, very wide. So like day 5, day 6, I started getting like my acrylic application part. I'm getting to understand that, like it's not hard. It's just like, oh my god, okay, so especially when you're teaching yourself, it's like, oh, okay, so this is it. Oh, all right. So it's like I'm doing the 2B method and 3B method. I'm going back and forth, really like the 2B method, and just pick up and fill in where I have to. And when I'm doing my nails, like I switch out between my brushes. I'll use either my number 12 that I bought from Pano on Amazon, or I'll switch out and use the artistic sculptor brush that I got in my Young Nails kit. So I switch out between the two. I'm not sure yet which one I like better. I'm gonna use my artistic sculptor again. This one is the Pano brush that I'm using in this video though, number 12. But I'm gonna use my Young Nails brush again the next set that I do, and I'm gonna just see which one I like better, because I'm not sure. The artistic sculptor brush, we just gonna say AS, because that's just, or Young Nails brush, because that's just too much, and I'm stuttering and fucking it up. But anywho, that brush is like way smaller, and I can handle both brushes because size don't matter. But like, I don't know, I'm just not sure. I did a clear nail like very, very well with the smaller brush, so I'm just like, I don't know. I can achieve it with both brushes, but maybe the smaller one is easier for me to work with, and I'm just in denial because I want to work with a bigger brush so I can learn how to work fast. Like, my whole thing is I'm always trying to run before I like crawl, before I walk, before I even stretch. I'm trying to haul ass straight off the porch. But it's a process, you know. Day 6, I'm doing good. It's not looking like day 1 when nails were hella wide, hella fat, bumpy. I could get a smooth application every time, almost every time. I don't know. And then that's another thing. Okay, y'all, so when I was making this video, it's like I just started doing stuff all out of place. Like, this nail fat as shit. Don't know fucking why. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in when I figure out where my train of thoughts was just at. Please excuse my shoulder. Like, I had got up or I don't know, I could be lying. I don't know what happened, but my shoulder in the way now, and I don't know what did I did. So annoying. But I'm doing a marble nail. Let me explain the design. I'm doing a marble nail on my first finger. Then I'm going to do a solid color nail on the middle finger. The third finger or ring finger would be a marble ombre. And then on the thumb and pinky is just a regular ombre. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really trying to work hard on those ombres. My marbles, I'm working on those too, just so I can make the process seem prettier to me during it. I'm one of those people that I hate ugly processes. I haven't even attempted a French yet either. I gotta attempt that. I bought me a X-Acto knife so I could practice my V-cut nails, V-cut French tips and shit like that. Super excited. I love when Amazon come and drop me off packages. Yes. I'll be like, hey friend. So you know we won't be that close. Really don't even ever see them. Just see my boxes and be like, yes, okay. Like, do y'all know the whole week I waited for all my nail stuff to come here. Everything came from Amazon. Everything was coming day by day. And then my Young Nails nail kit was coming from Young Nails, the company, because it was $104 on their site. But if you went to Amazon, it was $200. I'm not about to do that, no matter how soon I want it. So I got my kit on Friday, the last day. Well, it was supposed to come Friday, and then it didn't come because they said they couldn't deliver in my apartment. I hate my apartment complex because the way it's set up, it does make deliveries hard. But anywho, so I had to go and pick it up Saturday because they tried to deliver it again Saturday morning, but somehow they couldn't access my apartment. So I had to go pick it up, and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up in the morning because like right now, like I can't wait anymore. I'm tired of watching videos. I'm ready to practice. Isn't that how y'all was on my beginner nail techs or my nail techs in general? So this is my first finger. So yeah, I'm lying. This is my pinky finger. So this is going to be a regular ombre. I grabbed way too much of this color. Like I'm stuttering because I'm really flabbergasted. I don't know why I started doing my application like this. Like, it's really mind-boggling me. Because I know how to do... I studied nails tutorial. I did it, and it came out way better or easier. It came out easier for me to do when I did it with her technique. So, I don't know. For some reason, maybe it was maybe I'm making a video. I was excited. So, my brain just scattered. Gotta stop doing that. Gotta get a hold of that. I'm so excited, y'all, too, because this weekend I'm supposed to be taking models so I could do more actual people's fingers instead of fucking with this mannequin hand, this practice hand. Let me tell y'all something. This hand is bad as shit. It never pays attention. I tell it to do one thing and it does another. You put the nail on, it pops off. You gotta hold it way longer than if you was to. If I put the tip on my hands. By the way, I did my nails. If you was wondering, well, you probably wasn't. It's probably obvious. Anywho, when you put the tips on these, and then you just start doing the nails, like the tips, they're popping off. The fingers are popping off. The little yellow things are sliding down off the finger nubs. My pinky, I broke it like my first or second day, so it pops off every now and again. Yeah, just red iguana hand me, please. Anybody, anyone. You can just send it straight over. I'll create a P.O. box and you can send that bad boy. Over here, I spent like $800+ on my nail stuff. I didn't want to get that hand. I wanted to get that hand, but I'm just like, yo, I'll just start off with this $30 hand for now, and then I'll go to people. And yeah, I also did my feet too. I did my toes. Like the first couple sets I was doing, y'all, I did like 2 fingers on my hand, and then I did my toes, and then I did like a bunch of practices on my my mannequin hand. Oh, that's another thing, y'all. I am extremely tired. Look at how I crisping that up, though. Look at them side walls and stuff like that. Trying to maintain my shape, because maintaining shape is key. Sorry for the angle. I didn't realize that it was going out of frame, y'all, but y'all know. So that ring finger too, I don't know why I put orange on that finger. It was ugly. I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna redo that finger off camera and then just come back, because I didn't show myself encapsulating the nails in clear either, because I'm way out of front. Like, I'm way too much into the camera on that. Like, way too much into the camera. So I didn't include that in the video, me encapsulating it in clear. But you know, that's the next step after you put your... excuse me, I'm very tired. After you do your marbling, and then, you know, your ombres, you know, you gotta encapsulate in clear. And... yeah, I'll tap back in when I remember where I was at. I know y'all keep hearing me too, keep saying that I'm so tired. I was gonna elaborate on that and then I got sidetracked per usual. But anywho, I'm very tired because every day, literally every single day since I had my nail stuff, I stayed up all day, all night doing my nails, and then I'll fall asleep at weird ass times in the day to try and get a nap. Whew, I ain't gonna lie. It's been like I'm in boot camp. I put myself in boot camp. Nail boot camp by Jay. If you want to get in my boot camp after I'm done being in my boot camp, definitely hit me up. Definitely do that. But yeah, that's why I'm so tired and I keep yawning. I'm like overdue on the sleep, but you know, bosses and business ladies of America do not get rich and successful and wealthy and can buy all the clothes and shoes and bags you want off going to sleep. So no, this young lady is trying to ace that. Look at them nails. That's after I drilled my nails, because I'm learning how to use my nail drill by Melody Susie. But yeah, it's my drill work. It's awesome. It's beautiful. And then this is the final product. Very pretty, very cute. Now, I'm not gonna sit up here in front act like everything was perfect, because it was damn near after I drilled. But okay, so you see that first the middle finger, I had put the hand in the gel, and then gel got fucked up in there, so I had to drill it off a little bit, put another coat on a little bit, and it kind of widened or fattened up my first and middle nail. So I'm really not too fond of this style or this hand anymore. I'm gonna have to do it again. It would have been so cute though if I didn't mess up. But yeah, you know, gel polish, it gets real thick and shit the more you put on there. So we're gonna redo it. We ain't gonna give up. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I over talked through it. Subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it if you feel it to be inspirational or inspiring to anyone else. And check the description box for any product details or social media that you want to add me on. Thanks. Bye.